Wilkins here. Welcome back to another Nowsite video, and in today's video I wanted to talk about the recent price update that happened with Nowsite. Now I'm a little late to the party, but I still think it's useful information to have for anybody who's deciding to join with Nowsite. Okay, so previously with the price, Nowsite used to cost about $87 a month, and that was on the low end, and on the high end it would be around $327 a month. Okay, with this new plan, they have a much cheaper entry point, okay, and that starts at $47 per month. Okay, this makes it way more competitive with a lot of the other softwares and systems that are out there. Okay, but let's just go over what you get with Nowsite and their new cheaper plan. Okay, so for starters, you get 10 websites. All right, so that's landing pages, websites, sales funnels. Okay, you can make 10 of those. You can use them if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're selling e-courses or anything like that. You got a local business that you want to bring online. The website builder is perfect for that. And again, you can build landing pages or sales funnels. You can do basically whatever you need to do to get your business up and running online. Okay. The next thing you get is 3 AI campaigns. Now, this is for you network marketers out there. Maybe you're with an existing network marketing company, okay, and they don't quite have the tools to help you build a business online. Okay, so with their 3 done for you campaigns, you can essentially use Nowsite. You can use this system and their done for you campaigns to build your brand with whatever other company that you're with. So I can show you real quick. Here's what it would look like if you went to sign up for one of them done for you plans. You go ahead and you select your organization. As you can see, they got For Life, ACN, Avon, Herbalife. You can see Mary Kay. They've got quite a few, and here's what it would look like when you sign up. If you sign up for Mary Kay, you can see you have your sales funnels, okay, your websites. Everything is built for you. Now the next one, okay, is the AI campaigns. The bread and butter of Nowsite's all-in-one platform is their AI software. And basically, what this will do is it will find relevant content to whatever your business is that you're promoting, and it will generate the content for you to share on different social media platforms. Okay, and you also have email marketing. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. When you have the AI generating the content for you and people click on that content, you'll have a chance to collect their email, okay, their email information before they see the content. And once they give up the email, they use the email marketing tools to start sending emails to those people. You already know they're interested in the content or your business because they've already subscribed to it. So it'll give you more chances to make sales off of the people who are actually checking out your content, who are interested in your business. Okay, so again, these are all the great things that you get for that starter package. All right, now personally, if you're serious about building an online business, okay, then I would go for the entrepreneur package. Okay, and this gives you unlimited websites, unlimited AI campaigns, unlimited done for you campaigns. Okay, you still get the email marketing, you get team creation and analytics. So again, if you're into building teams, no matter what the business is, okay, if you're into building teams, you can build yourself a close knit team and get closer to the people that you're providing a service to, and you can share extra content and templates, and there's all sorts of things that you can do with the team creation tool. Okay, and you get analytics. All right, who doesn't need analytics for their business to see what's working and what's not working, okay, what they need to tweak and things like that. Okay, so you'll definitely need the analytical tools. And then something that you don't get with a lot of tools is their retargeting. With this platform, you get retargeting ads, and basically, if somebody comes and they check out your website, okay, or they check out whatever you're promoting and they leave, all right, if they go on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or they go check out another website, okay, this platform is going to keep showing them ads related to your business. Okay, so it's another way to get people to come back, because people, um, they get preoccupied with stuff, and they may run off and go do something else, and then having that ad of your business or your program re-pop up in their face, like, oh yeah, I did check that, let me go check it out again, or let me go ahead and buy. Okay, it makes sure that your product or your business stays in their face. Okay, so it's another indispensable tool to have under your belt, as well as you can become an affiliate and you can promote Nowsite as well. So I didn't want to make this a super long video. I just wanted to keep it super short and super simple. Just letting you guys know that there is a price change, and it's um, way easier to get in on Nowsite and use the system. Okay, it makes it much more competitive with other softwares out there, and with the AI, it offers a little bit more. Okay, highly suggest you guys check it out. So what I'm going to do is leave a link down below so you guys can check out the software for yourself, okay, if you're interested. All right, so that's all I got for today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and share this out with others. Also leave a comment down below and let me know if you're actually interested in using the software. All right, so that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.